Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export a project in Asana as JSON. This is particularly useful when you need to back up your project data, migrate information to another platform, or share detailed project structures with developers who can work with raw data formats. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Asana. Once you're logged in, you'll need to access your project. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the sidebar menu. This is where all your workspaces, projects, and teams are organized. Click on the sidebar and browse through to locate the specific project you want to export. Go ahead and select that project to open it. Now that your project is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see the project title displayed prominently. Right next to the title, there's a small drop-down arrow. This arrow is your gateway to various project management options. Click on this drop-down arrow to reveal a menu of actions you can take with your project. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Export or Sync and click on it. This feature is specifically designed to help you extract your project data in various formats, making it easy to work with your information outside of Asana or create backups for safekeeping. After clicking Export or Sync, you'll be presented with different format options for your export file. Here's where you'll choose JSON as your preferred format. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a structured data format that preserves all the details of your project in a way that's readable by many different applications and programming languages. This makes it ideal for technical integrations or detailed analysis. Once you select JSON, Asana will process your request and a link will automatically open in a new browser tab. This link provides direct access to your exported JSON file. The file will either download automatically to your computer or you may need to click a download button depending on your browser settings. Finally, navigate to your computer's Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files by default. Locate the downloaded JSON file, which will typically be named after your project. You can now open this file with a text editor or JSON viewer, or share it with anyone who needs access to your project's structured data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.